I think I heard you say, "Oh my goodness, Thaddeus Meriwether Stones, what have you done now?" And as you can see, what we have is the portable compressed light emission projector. Cold red light, my dear fellows and ladies. And I will explain to you that everything that we have here is functional. What you see here is the ability to transmit through the 4-quarter perfectly shaped spear. It is a heat emitting device. The device on top of that right here is our reservoir for steam, all traveling up into the device. I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, you have these small pearl-like objects, and they serve no purpose except possibly for decoration, and I have to tell you that's absolutely not correct, old fellows and ladies. What we have here is absolute equal ballast for what we're doing now. How does it work? Well, one takes one's thumb and gently rotates the red stone 4 times, and then one takes one's thumb, places it against the flywheel, and spins the flywheel thus. Now, the flywheel is set to turn itself off at a certain point so that the steam does not build up inside the device. And, well, you know how that goes. We don't want any steam devices accidentally blowing up. I can hear you saying to me, "Oh boy, these appear to be decorations on this very fine bracelet." And my reply would be, they appear to be, but what they really are heat dissipation grooves within the design, dissipating the steam heat that builds up on this device, you know. And I do want to show you this closely. This is a most ingenious device, and I wish I could take credit for this, but of course I can't. It was my lab assistant, Nixie, who put this together. This little button, compressed, opens up our portable compressed light emission projector. These surfaces here within these arcs is where the water for the steam is kept. So here you have the portable compressed light emission projector. Cold and hot red light coming from one's own wrist. And yes, this is just a prototype. This is not the working model, and the reason for that is we wouldn't want somebody taking the working model out into the streets and shining compressed light emissions, red, cold lights all over the place and knocking down a dirigible. So this is simply the prototype, but it is a working prototype, as I say. Quite ingenious, if I do say myself.